Hi guys, I'm back with another unboxing. This plant is actually from Nature's Planters. I ordered this online because I live on the East Coast and they are located in California. So I have actually purchased the variegated string of hearts. There's 6-inch trailing pot. So let's open it up. So I ordered this plant last Friday and it was shipped out on Monday. I chose 2-day air, and I think it's via UPS. Yeah, it is UPS. And it got to me on Wednesday, today. I thought it was gonna get here probably by tomorrow, but actually it was really quick, 2-day shipping. So I've been eyeing this plant from their online website because I wanted a longer, bigger plant. I have some smaller ones. Okay, let's see. There's some paper here. This is a note. So it just has my information, what I ordered, the variegated string of hearts, 6-inch trailing. That's just on the paper, and it says thank you from Tory. So let's open it up. So I wanted a bigger plant, so I actually ended up ordering a variegated string of hearts from Succulent Mario, and I'm sure you guys have seen the video from Sharina and a few other YouTubers, but they actually live in California, so they actually got to pick out their plants. The one that I got was a little bit underwhelming, and I also had a little bit of an issue, like the plant actually didn't ship out when it was supposed to, and I had to contact, oh, there's a bug here. I had to contact them several times to get the status of the plant, and they said, oh, it usually ships out, I think like midweek, but I still didn't get any notification that it was shipped out or in transit. So they had to look into it again. I had to contact them via Instagram this time to get in touch with them. And they finally got back to me and they said they'll ship out a new one. They didn't know what happens to the other one. And the plant was a little bit underwhelming for the size, like the one I purchased. I thought it'd be a little, like the leaves weren't as thick. And it looked like the leaves were bitten up by some bugs. Okay, there's a little bit of soil on this one. So, I mean, I have it growing by a window, hanging, trailing plant, so I'm hoping that it grows out bigger. I can do another video on that one. Okay, so it's in a box, in a box, in a box. So this is the third box here. So let's see, this is gotta be the plant now. There's a little bit of soil everywhere. I must say the customer service with Nature's Planters by Tory Rand is pretty exceptional. I had emailed them asking if I could get a picture of the plant before I shipped out, and they actually texted me images of like 3 plants that I could choose from, and that was pretty cool. Okay, so it's wrapped. It was wrapped in 3 boxes, and now there's paper towels around this one. So it's a little bit of a mess. That's just from shipping plants with soil. So I'm hoping, I mean, I know what this one looks like, so hopefully it just made it through the transit okay. So our temperatures are in the East Coast have been around 90 degrees, and I was just a little bit worried if it would do well, but it was shipped 2 days, so I'm assuming it should be fine. Okay, time for the plant. Oh, actually it's wrapped even more. Look at that. Let me put this underneath. So there's cotton balls. Ooh, I'm so excited. Oh wow, look how pink they are. I don't know if you can see in the camera, but it's pretty pink. Okay. I have to slowly take these out. I had recently purchased a regular string of hearts that was super tangled because it was really long, but that plant didn't really do well in transit. It lost a lot of leaves because the soil was very, very moist. Still very damp. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see, but let's show you guys the plant. Ooh, it's very pink. Check it out. Ooh, the leaves are really big. Okay, this is the most difficult part, trying to unravel the plant. So let's see. I know they have really long vines, so, and I don't want to damage any of the hearts. I love this plant. From what I've heard, you want to give it a lot of indirect sunlight. And they can actually take a little bit of direct sunlight and it'll help with the pink variegation. It's the sun stress that's actually making it really pink. Oh my, look at that. You see the back side of it. Oh, it's pink. A little bit of soil everywhere, but that's okay. So yeah, I've purchased smaller plants, but I really wanted a big one that was trailing. And I mean, Nature's Planters, I've seen them around for a while, and I think they said on their website they've been doing this for 7 years. They've been specializing in these string of hearts. So I was like, I just wanted to wait and see until they had their bigger pots. And I think it wasn't until recently that I had these big pots for sale. Okay, so it's pretty tangled. You guys are along for the ride. Get to watch me untangle a string of hearts, which can take a long time, but actually this one's pretty good. Oh my gosh, these hearts are pretty thick and succulent. I should keep that down. So here we go. Check out the variegated string of hearts. Oh, this is amazing. I'm so happy. It's such a big plant. I'm happy that I got to choose which one I wanted to. But look at this, the vines, they're long. I love it. And these are a really slow growing plant because of the variegation. They need a lot of light to keep the variegation and also to grow because it doesn't have a lot of, like the green part is where the chlorophyll is, and you need that to photosynthesize. Okay. Well, definitely, I say get yourself Nature's Planters Variegated String of Hearts. Totally. By Tory Rand. Thanks for watching.